Let's make it clear, though, that Crystal Slowly's 11:35 will not make it to the final, as Jodine Williams at 11:19 is now the fastest time qualifier, and Ashanti Moore from the previous semi-final at 11:24. So those are the two bubble times.
It's always nerve-wracking
so here we go.
In the bubble.
Not to burst any bubbles here. The third semi-final up next. Natasha Morrison listed, Shericka Jackson, Kemba Nelson, Janelle Smith, and Sabrina Dockery, as well as Vedita Vidal out there in lane 8.
Well, we know Kemba Nelson will not start.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Yeah, she's only in Doha.
Yeah, 10.88. Win 88 for her.
Yeah, positive 2.5.
In winning at the Doha Diamond League meet earlier today. On screen there, this is Sabrina Dockery, who has joined the sub 11 club this season. Dockery, former Lakove High standout, and beside her, well, on screen, Janelle Smith, also sub 11 this season.
So let's put some things in perspective here. Shericka Jackson has not run a 100-meter flat race this season, but based on her 10.88 last season, is certainly expected to be a force. Janelle Smith, after years of knocking at the door, has finally entered the sub-11 club. She has a 10.99 twice this season. Natasha Morrison is also on screen now, a sub-11 lady, but so far has not gone below 11.30 this season.
Yeah, she'll be running from lane 2, Natasha Morrison. In lane 3 will be Shericka Jackson, the two-time world 200-meter champion. Has gone sub-22 for the 200 meters this season.
21.87.
21.87 to be exact. So she is definitely in good shape, good form coming into these championships. Based on those performances.
This will be her season opener.
For the 100 meter.
Silver medalist in 2023 in the event and the World Championships. Janelle Smith anchored Jamaica to that wonderful silver medal at the World Championships last year. Was closing on Shakiri Richardson. That's a run that will be remembered for some time to come.
10.99 twice this year.
Okay, on the blocks, Sabrina Dockery, who's looking to make that transition from the junior to the senior level and has been doing a good job of it in her first season as a professional athlete.
10.92. She is looking fabulous. She ran at 10.92 in Texas 2 weeks ago and was super excited when she achieved that. She comes here very ready.
Out there in lane 8 is Vedita Vidal of Mount Alvernia.
Running with the big girls, looking for
on your mark.
Best.
Center their blocks. The third and final semi-final of the women's 100 meters. Morrison in 2, Jackson in 3, Janelle Smith in 5, Dockery in 6, and Vidal in lane 8.
Let's remind the viewers and listeners, 11.24, 11.19 are the bubble times to get to the final this evening.
Top 2 sure to advance. Sent off. Dockery gets out quickly. Jackson is also right there. Jackson takes charge now. Motoring is Shericka Jackson, and Janelle Smith will join her in the final this evening.
Okay.
Those who take the top 2 spots, Dockery having to settle for third, and she'll have to wait to see if she's faster than 11.24 and 11.19 from the previous semi-finals.
Well, the big shock is that Sabrina Dockery does not qualify for the final. Her 10.92 was not here on the track today, 11.31. Janelle Smith out strong. Shericka Jackson, we knew she would be doing well. Natasha Morrison getting left behind at this stage. So Janelle Smith eases up, Shericka Jackson eases up, and Sabrina Dockery at 11.31 is a big shock. I think most, including myself, would have had Sabrina Dockery as a finalist here at the National Championships.
Yeah, so here we go with the results from semi-final 3. Janelle Smith gets the win at 11.14 officially. Jackson second, 11.17. Those two advance automatically. Dockery third in 11.31.